The National Weather Service in Sterling, Virginia has issued a flash flood warning for southern Baltimore County and northern Maryland, Baltimore City and northern Maryland until 12:15 a.m. At 9:17 p.m. National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated very heavy rain capable of producing flash flooding. 1 inch has already fallen over Baltimore City. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches can't be expected. Some locations that are affected by the heavy rain include Arbutus, Catonsville, Dundalk, Fells Point, Rosedale, Woodlawn, Armistead Gardens, Baltimore Inner Harbor, Beachfield, Bolton Hill, Camden Yards, Kenton, Gwynst Falls, Clifton Park, Druid Hills Park, East Point, Guilford, Homeland, Howard Park, Johns Hopkins University, Josephine Lee, Locust Point, Missington Stadium, Morgan State University, Roland Park, Union Square, Woodring, and Baltimore. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flash flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, underpasses, and other drainage areas in low-lying spots. Now for the national...
Now to watch me.